Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My EcoFit Life. You are watching Workout 365 Day 5. My name is Apurv. So today we are going to talk about very simple equipments and very cheap as well that you can use if you do not have time for going to a gym. First I'll tell you the push-up bars. So if you cannot put your hand and you cannot bend over properly, so these are the bars that you can use. You can adjust them. Again, parallel to your shoulder. So first we'll do is push-ups. We'll do simple push-ups. Just make sure that your form is correct. Your back has to be straight. And while you are going down, your pressure should be on your chest. So guys, I love doing calisthenics and I'm learning it. So let's try these push-up bars for some of the core exercise like this. This is how you can use the push-up bar for decline push-ups as well. This is good for your lower chest. So let's try it. I have in my hand, this is an ab roller. This is again good for your core, good for your abs, and this is a really good exercise for losing some weight from your belly. So if you want your core to be strong, this is one of the best exercise for that. So let's try this as well. I'll do 3 to 4 repetitions for you. You can watch out. I recommend you should do at least 10 repetitions if you can, and I do not recommend this exercise for beginners. This again for intermediate or advanced level of exercise, and this is really effective exercise for the abs. Next equipment that I have in my hand is a resistance rope. So this is a really important equipment that you need at your home, and if you need a bit of pump and you feel that you need some quick muscle growth while you are at home, so this is a must have. So I'll tell you a few exercises that you can do with this resistance rope. I hope you can see me. So let's start. So just put the middle of the rope underneath your feet, and you just need to do a bicep exercise with this first. And you need to pull this like a bicep curl. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, I'll tell you a couple of shoulder exercises as well that you can do with this resistance rope. So just need to feel the tension in the rope and put the rope under your feet. So you can do this sideways while doing the shoulder exercise. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Similarly, you can do the front raise as well. Going the shoulder, you keep your arm head off your shoulder and keep your neck straight. And again, we'll do the same exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you saw, I'm taking the feet. So guys, next and the final equipment that I have is a pull-up bar. So this is again I purchased online, and I'll share the link with you in the description box below. I have less space over here, but if you have a long do, you can use this in a wider grip as well. So let's start. I'll tell you a few things how you can do this. So just have to lean down, put your feet across where you do not move, and just pull yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let me show you a few reps with the reverse pull-up as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is good for your shoulders and your biceps. Once again, you can use the resistance rope as I told you with the pull-up bar. So this is how you can use this. And you just need to put it down for your this exercise is for triceps. So you can see the pump over here. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again, you can hold both of the ends in a single hand for more tension and more pressure on your hands, like this. 1, 2, 3. So most of you guys will be wondering how you can do abs exercise using pull-up bar and this tension rope, this resistance rope. Let me show you how. This is a really effective ab exercise, and if you have this equipment, you can do this at your home anytime. So I'll just clear this up. Just put this in both of your hands. I can still feel the tension over here. Then parallel to your shoulders, and just feel the pressure on ab now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can do as many repetitions as possible, and you need to do at least 3 sets of each exercise that I'm telling you right now. Last one that I'm going to show you is a chest exercise. As I told you, we'll do a full body exercise today using the basic equipment that I have at my home. So let's start this. You need to again keep your 1 foot forward, and you need to keep your arms away from your shoulders and keep your elbow 90 degrees to the arms and the shoulder. So let's start. You need to pull it forward and do it as slow as possible to create the tension, and the focus area should be your upper shoulder, and it will give you pressure on your chest. You can hold it as well. I can easily feel the pressure on my chest. There's a big pump. So guys, these were the few simple exercises that you can do anytime at home. It just took me few minutes for 1 set. I can repeat this 3 sets and it will be completed within 15 minutes. So this is a full body exercise that we did today, and I hope you liked the video, and do comment with your thoughts below, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done till now, and we'll be back tomorrow with another video. So see you soon, and you have a safe life, live a healthy life, and stay away from alcohol and cigarettes, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Anytime at your home.